I'm Erskine. This is the BCX open front brush cutter. We developed this over the last couple years with a lot of testing, looking at the market, looking at the other mowers that are out there. And we've come up with this mower as it's got a 74-inch and an 80-inch cut. And that fits the larger framed, newer style machines on the market. And also nicely fits compactly on a trailer on the inside of the wheel wells. This thing's heavy. So 1,600 pounds and about 1,800 pounds on the 80-inch model. The whole thing is reinforced all the way through. We've got 1/4-inch grade 50 tubes, 4-inch by 2-inch. So those make up the middle section here. And then across here, you've got 1/4-inch all the way across. You'll notice that the entire side plate here runs from the front of the mower all the way to the back. You also have replaceable skid shoes. These are 1/2-inch grade 50 that run along the bottom here. That allows you more flotation when you're letting the mower ride across the ground. We've got a patent pending push bar. It's got 2 positions. So it can be moved from the front position here as shown, that's our shipping position, to the back position here to expose the blades a little bit more. What that's gonna do is when you're pushing against the tree, each machine has a little bit different as far as how much tilt and angle, and each operator is a little bit different also. So you can kind of fine tune this to how you want to run the mower. This brush cutter has 2 different model sizes, again the 74 and the 80-inch cut. Inside of each of those, there's a high flow and a standard flow version. So the standard flow version is 15 to 25 gallons per minute, and the high flow runs 25 to 41. Again, those new larger machines with the higher GPM, the higher PSIs, this will fit these perfectly with that 80-inch cut to cover the track path also. These motors are outfitted right into an oil bath bearing carrier, and these have a full 2-year warranty on the entire unit other than the wear items like blades and skid shoes. You know, we have a couple other brush cutters in the market, and we've been looking at the other opportunities as far as what other sizings, offerings that are out there. And so we've really tried to, really test this mower as harsh conditions as possible. You're gonna see some of the video, we've done some snow, we've done some really wet conditions, we've done some tall grass, large trees. What we're looking for here is points of failure. And we've had some, we've noticed some other ones in the field that we think we've improved upon. And we think we've come out with the best mower on the market as far as the way that it's built, the way that it operates, those unique features I think that are the best in the market. So underneath here, this mower on standard flow and high flow is a 10-inch cutting capacity. So strapped to this 3/4-inch grade 50 steel plate is 4 1/2-inch steel blades. So these are forged and heat treated for longevity. They are beveled on both ends, so that way you can cut in both directions. Also, you've got these carbide mulching teeth. These are replaceable. What these do is they disrupt the material underneath the mower and keep it up in the air so the blades and the teeth have a chance to get it and grind it up and turn it into really a fine mulch material once you get that tree down or that small brush. We've got chains on the back corners here on each side. So what that allows is the material to go right out the back as far as grass once that material's been shredded up. And then also it keeps the larger material that you want to grind up inside of here. So as far as it's not coming through the chains, it also shields the operator and anybody else that may be around from these debris kicking out. On the back side here, you've got a wire anti-wrap. So what this does is protects your bearing carrier seal and anything else back there. So what it does is it's got 4 prongs that stick up that catch the wire that wraps through, which makes it really easy when you want to clean out to get your arm in here, any kind of grinder, anything to be able to clean that material out that's been wrapped around there. So as you can see, we're running the BCX mower today and we decided to simulate what would be, more of a testing environment. We ran this mower up against a couple rocks. There was 3, now there's 2 and a couple chunks. Part of one's over there. So, and then what we did immediately afterwards is we took this down blade directly into this tree, a little larger than we normally would like to cut with this style of machine. It's more fit probably for a mulcher, but we wanted to test it and show you guys exactly what to expect from an Erskine BCX mower. So when you're running this commercially, even if you're running on your farm or your ranch, or cleaning things up around the home, you can know that this mower will stand up to these types of situations, so you know you're getting a good product when you're partnering with the BCX mower and Erskine Attachments. So as you can see, this is our demo unit. We were using to mulch up the rocks and the big trees and all the brush. And so what I'm gonna show you here now that the machine's detached is where the quick attach plate links directly into the mower here. And what it's got is 1/2-inch grade 50 steel plate all the way around, big boxed frame, very strong, very rigid. And this is what is very critical when it comes to a brush mower, that these two pieces, being brush mower and machine, are linked. And this is the strongest point that supports this mower when you're going through uneven terrain and smashing into trees and brush. So another critical point of a brush mower is how you support the drivetrain, meaning the motor and the bearing carrier. So as you look, you can see here, we've got a couple sandwich pieces of steel. It adds up to be 1.75 inches worth of grade 50 steel to support, because we've got all these components coming together and this huge level of stress that's directed at this point, the powertrain. No different than where your motor links to your transmission, right? Got to be strong, got to be rigid, so it holds up to these extreme forces people put these mowers through. So what I'm going to cover here is the deflectors that are built into this mower. So you've got 4 main supports coming up front here that support this push bar and the immense forces it's going to come across. So what this does, these deflectors are built in here so that way when debris come off the blades, depending on which direction it's spinning, they hit the deflectors and are knocked down. Earlier in the video, you're going to see some spots where the grass and stuff is balling up here. That's exactly what it's made to do. So it's another level of protection for the operator when running this brush mower. If you need any more information or pricing, visit ErskineAttachments.com or see a local dealer at our dealer locator.